What is the point of a drone? For many, a drone in the now popular multi-rotor configuration is an extension of a passion for RC aircraft. For others, a drone is a tool to put a camera into the sky. Hello everyone, this is Noah from 95 Cameras. In this video we've taken a quick look at the best camera drone available today. Price information and links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. If you have other products you would like us to review, please tell us in the comments or visit 95cameras.com. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Starting at number 5, we have Flyabilty Elios 2. Flyabilty changed the way drones can be used with the original Elios that was designed for indoor inspections. With the Flyabilty Elios 2, the company has built upon that success and created their most advanced drone to date. Its unique configuration features a spherical cage that encases the entire payload. Its overall dimensions are just under 40 centimeters or 15.7 inches. It will fit into just about any space. The robust transmission system works beyond line of sight, which means concrete walls, steel structures, and other obstacles will not interfere with the inspection. During certain inspections, such as those that take place in tight spaces like boiler rooms or even nuclear reactors, collisions are unavoidable. These are also spaces where in-person inspections can be extremely dangerous. The Elios 2 was created to make these types of inspections safer for people by removing the need for a person to physically review a tight, dangerous space. A dual sensor consisting of a thermal and 4K camera can identify even the smallest cracks. The dust-proof 10K lumen lighting system is the most powerful lighting system ever used on a commercial drone. Using the oblique lighting technique allows inspectors to identify textures and find even the smallest problems. Number 4. Freefly Alta 8. The Freefly Alta 8 drone is an octo-rotor configuration designed for aerial cinematography. It is truly an engineering marvel with the ability to carry up to a 20-pound payload on either the top or bottom of the drone. Foldable carbon fiber propeller arms, propellers, and Freefly's quick-release gimbal system ensure simple setup and increased portability. Its weather-resistant plastic enclosure will be appreciated by aerial cinematographers who film in a multitude of climates. Flying a large drone doesn't need to be complicated. Fly with ease with Freefly's industry-leading Synapse flight controller. Readings from accelerometers, barometer, and an advanced GPS are blended to hold altitude, which allows the operator to focus on getting a stunning shot. Velocity clamps have a similar effect in that the speed of the drone can be adjusted in real time to get a precision shot every time. Number 3. DJI Inspire 2. The DJI Inspire 2 is a top-of-the-line drone that has become a favorite among aerial cinematographers who are looking for Hollywood camera quality in a relatively small package. Its sleek design, intelligent sensors, and premium materials make this a great platform for cinematography. Its solid construction features a magnesium aluminum composite shell and carbon fiber arms that lift to provide an unparalleled 360-degree view. The Inspire 2 was built with filmmakers in mind, but its advanced camera sensors and Cinecore 2.0 image processing system makes it ideal for anyone who wants that perfect cinematic shot. The 2-axis FPV camera allows drone pilots to see what is ahead while simultaneously recording with the main camera in the opposite direction. Not only is it capable of running 2 cameras, but it also has a dual IMUs barometers and a dual self-heating battery system. There are simply too many features to list them all, but this drone will handle anything thrown its way. Number 2. DJI Phantom 4. The DJI Phantom 4 RTK is another visionary drone from DJI. With an RTK module that is designed for real-time aerial mapping. It may look familiar, and it should because it utilizes the iconic Phantom platform. It features a 1-inch 20-megapixel CMOS sensor with a mechanical shutter, which is an essential component to capture high-quality image data. A unique feature with the DJI Phantom 4 RTK is the remote controller with a built-in screen that is loaded with the new DJI GS RTK app. This allows the drone to be controlled through intelligent flight planning modes, which include 2D and 3D photogrammetry, waypoint flight, terrain awareness, block segmentation, and various other flight modes that are ideal for aerial mapping. Number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is one of the most popular camera drones from DJI. With a professional-grade camera from Swedish camera manufacturer Hasselblad, the 1-inch CMOS sensor Hasselblad camera offers 20-megapixel photography with enhanced HDR and color sensitivity. A new feature debuted to come along with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It can sense obstacles from 5 directions: forward, backward, downward, left, right. Plus, it is equipped with upgraded versions of active track, waypoint, and point of interest modes. So professional photographers and videographers never have to place a cap on their creativity. The Mavic 2 Pro is great for professional photographers, videographers, and content creators. Its portable design makes it an essential companion for travel bloggers, documentary compilers, and commercial drone pilots in any industry. That's all for this video, everyone. Big thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment and subscribing. See you next time.